In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Dictate in Word and OneNote. You can find the Dictate button in the ribbon of each application. In this example, I'm going to use Dictate in the web version of Microsoft Word. So from within the Home ribbon, we're just going to click on to Dictate. The warm weather allows me to play outside, full stop. I play under the sprinkler with my brother, full stop. New line. We run through the water and scream at each other, exclamation mark. At night, comma, I play hide and seek with my friends, full stop. New line. I usually hide under a big bush, full stop. I love it when the weather is warm, exclamation mark. You can see that the punctuation that I said in words converted as I continued. You can also use terms like delete, bold, and so on. I recommend Googling Microsoft Dictate commands for more options.